Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Gallenberg at Barrington Oaks Veterinary Hospital. We're a full-service veterinary hospital that provides medical care, surgical care, dental care for your dogs, cats, and many other pets. We have a very dedicated staff, and they are very knowledgeable. They care deeply about animals and your pets. We've expanded into some real exciting new therapies. We have therapy laser unit, which can help treat animals with arthritis and pain. And we have a digital x-ray unit, which provides tremendous detail on our x-rays. Ultrasound is another diagnostic tool that we use. We offer grooming services, and we also offer boarding facilities. We provide high quality service to both the pet and the client. We like to treat their pets as if they were our own, and we live that and try to offer the best possible service and the best possible care to both the clients and the pets.
The staff at Barrington Oaks welcomes everyone.
Welcome!